Okay, Leslie and Kamari. Um, Here's a quick lesson, a little bit of review, but also some new stuff about decomposing fractions. Um, so we've been working on, decomposing fractions like say 6/8, and then we always make a picture of it, right? 6/8 can look like this: 8 equal parts, and then we get 6 of them colored in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that shows 6/8, right? And then we want to decompose it, right? Remember, decomposing means we can show how it can be broken down into simpler fractions. And the first one we always want to do is break it down into unit fractions. And remember, unit fractions is when we're talking about just one of the box, one of the parts. Like that. That by itself is 1/8. So each of these is 1/8. A little hard to write with this fat marker. 1/8. So how many sets of 1/8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? So 6 unit fractions makes 6/8. Then we could also look at it this way. Well, we've got, if we look at this part here, we got 1, 2, we got 3/8. And then this part here, we've also got 1, 2, 3/8. So we could say 6/8 equals 3/8 plus 3/8. Or we could look at it this way. We could say we've got 4/8 here, and then here we've got 2/8. So we could say 6/8 equals 4/8 plus 2/8. So any one of those will work. But what I want to look at today is how you can show them without a picture. We could show them without a picture. So let's say you have a fraction like um, 9/12. Okay. Well, really all you have to think about is what numbers add up to 9, because we know that whatever fractions we add up, all the denominators are going to be 12, right? And so then we got to get numbers that add up to 9. Now, first of all, we always want to start with unit fractions. So how many unit fractions? Well, how many sets of 1 make 9? 9 of them, right? So we're going to make 9 unit fractions. That equals 9/12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 9. We want one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9/12 equals 1/12 plus 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 1/12. Right? Then what else? Let's think of another way that we can make 9/12. Again, you know that the denominators are going to be 12. So I have to think of what numbers can you add up to get 9? Well, I know 6 plus 3 equals 9. So 9/12 equals 6/12 plus 3/12. Or you could do, the denominators are 12. 4 plus 4/12 plus 5/12. So all you really have to think about is what numbers add up to the numerator. And then you're set, because all the denominators are going to be the same. Let's do one more. Let's do 4/8. No need for a picture, right? We know the unit fraction is 1/8. And it's going to take 4 of those to make 4/8. So start with that, right? Then all you got to think about is what number is equal 4/8. You could do 2/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8, because 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. Of course, you could do 2/8 plus 2/8, because 2 and 2 makes 4. And of course, you could do 3/8 plus 1/8, because 3/8 plus 1/8 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So 3/8 plus 1/8 equals 4/8. So hopefully you're getting the idea there that really you don't have to make a picture. And I will say you might have times where it says decompose 4/8 and show it with a picture. In that case, you need to be ready to do that. I'm just saying right now to find fractions that add up to another fraction, you don't really need a picture. All you have to think about is what numbers add up to the numerator. You know the denominator, what it's going to be, because they're all going to be the same. All you have to think is what numbers add up to the numerator. All right? Easy enough, right? So be checking in Seesaw for an assignment with this work and be watching further videos too.